Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna teach you all about the CRT projector. Okay, let's start today's topic. Before starting my presentation, I wanna give you a little intro. Topic name: CRT projector. Subject name: Computer Science. Degree name: BS Environmental Science first semester. Submitted to my respected teacher Dr. Salam. Submitted by Fizan Rashid. Mean is me, your representative. Roll number 20 array 3293. Table of contents. So what we learn in this topic? Well, we learn definition of CRT projector, history of CRT projector, parts of CRT projector, working of CRT projector, advantages of CRT projector, disadvantages of CRT projector, applications for CRT projector, uses of CRT projector, size of CRT projector, and resolution of CRT projector. Definition: a CRT projector is a video projector that uses a small, high brightness cathode ray tube as the image generating element. The image is then focused and enlarged onto a screen using a lens kept in the front of CRT face. History of CRT projector. The first color CRT projectors came out in the early 1950s. Some of the first CRT projection tubes were made in 1933 and by 1938. Parts of CRT projector. The technical specifications for CRT technology are primarily composed of number 1. Cathode ray tubes, number 2. Lenses, number 3. Video processing circuits. Working of CRT projectors. Working principle. A CRT projector works in much the same way as a CRT TV. The video image being formed on 3 picture tubes, each of which produces one of the primary optical colors. High voltage within a set is required to excite the electron beam within a picture tube. We then generate light output. When the electron beam hits the phosphorus surface of a tube, the red, blue and green images are then aligned on the screen to form one color integrated image. Main working. Most CRT projectors and computer monitors use 3 electron guns in a single tube, one gun for each of the colors red, green and blue. CRT projectors tend to use 3 separate tubes, each of which is fitted with a lens designed to greatly increase the size of video image. Because of this suppression and magnification, the need to focus and calibrate the video image is essential and image is formed. We can see in the image that CRT uses separate tubes or electron guns for color red, blue and green. These tubes insert electron onto the lens and the video image is formed. Advantages of CRT projector. Number 1. Long lifespan. The tubes used in CRT projectors have an extremely long lifespan that can maintain a consistent level of brightness for over 10,000 hours. Number 2. No rainbow effect. The rainbow effect that can affect resolution of video image by using CRT projector, there is no chance of rainbow effect. Number 3. Better black images. The shades of blacks that CRT projectors are capable of rendering are far superior to what DLP and LCD are capable of projecting. Number 4. High resolutions. CRT projectors are capable of outputting extremely high resolution, reaching 920 into 1200 that can be projected while maintaining preciously rendered colors. Although some projectors boost for greater resolution ranging up to 3200 into 2560. Number 5. Variable resolution and refresh rate. The ability to have a variable resolution and refresh rate, a feature lacking in DLP and LCD projectors, allows for interlaced images to be played. Disadvantages of CRT projector. Big and bulky means reduced portability. The physical bulkiness of a CRT projector means that it is far heavier and larger than its DLP or LCD competitors. One CRT projector can take up as much space as an old-fashioned 12-inch CRT television. This makes the portability extremely limited if you wish to move the projector or set it up in different places. Number 2. Lower level of brightness. The brightness level with CRT projector are not typically as high as those seen in LCD and DLP projectors. Consequently, it is far more important to use CRT projectors in a darkened room. Number 3. Setup times. The amount of time it takes to set up a CRT projector is far more time consuming and complex than compared to the other types of projector on the market. Number 4. High price tags. The cost of CRT projector suitable is far higher than another type of projector with similar specifications. Number 5. Professional tuning requires. The constant requirement to tune CRT projector to ensure that the best possible image is projected is costly as well as a hassle. If the three projection tubes, red, blue and green, are not properly aligned, however, then the colors can become mixed and color holes can become apparent. Number 6. Replacing part is costly. If one of the three cathode ray tubes break or stop working accurately, it can be a hassle to replace and are expensive. Applications for CRT projectors. Number 1. CRT projectors are suitable for most projector situations such as in a classroom or in a home theater. Number 2. Due to their size, CRT projectors are best suited to fixed installation situation. Number 3. When presenters need to use projectors in many different locations, they can set up it easily. Uses of CRT projectors. Number 1. CRT projectors are still used in certain industry and commercial environment, and since they were the original projector and have been around for such a long time, there are still fairly large numbers of CRT projectors installed in home today. Size of CRT projector. Usually we refer the number of tubes using in CRT projector to get the actual size of CRT projector. For all intents and purposes, CRTs come in three sizes: 7, 8 and 9. The larger the tube size, the more resolution the projected tube will be able to display as a picture. Resolution of CRT projector. CRT projectors are capable of giving extremely high resolution of 1920 into 1200 that can be projected. Although some projectors boast for greater resolution ranging up to 3200 into 2560. You can see image of a cute little boy watching something on projector. I guess he is watching his favorite cartoon Tom and Jerry on projector because it was my favorite too. But the main thing in this image is projector lights, red, blue and green, which makes the image. Thank you for listening me. Hope you like this video. Allah Hafiz, take care.